Because coming into crypto, right, if you're just kind of on the retail side or if you're just a user, then there's a lot of marketing that's talking to you everywhere, right? On Twitter, there's people shilling different things, and maybe you feel like you align with one narrative or the other, but part of that is just marketing, part of that is just words that are flying around. So I think, at least for myself, sitting there and understanding the foundations, right, from cryptography to general blockchain, right, to how finalization works, to the game theory and the economics that go into the decisions, right, it sort of resets your mind to go past all of the marketing talk that's just on Twitter and understand at a deeper level, oh hey, this is what it's actually about underneath, and this is how Polkadot has made decisions that are different and more serious than, let's say, other blockchains, right, at building something for the world. And so I think that was really my realization coming out of it, was that, hey, there is something special here in Polkadot that is very valuable. And, it's not just a flash in the pan. It's not just, right, something trying to get the most, users in a short time, but actually something is being built that needs to be built. And so I realized coming out of PBA that, this is something that I should devote my time to, right? Not just because, you can get rich soon or something, or you can trade your way to wealth, but because I align with the decisions made as to how it's built and what it's trying to achieve. And coming out of it, that is why I applied to be one of the decentralized voices, in order to, give my time to help the network and to help it make decisions. And, as Polkadot is transitioning, right, from whatever the 1.0 thing to all of these changes that are next, I realized that, people need to step up and to kind of contribute and help to build out the next phase.
I could not agree